Hello, this is my video describing how many ways to make 40 cents with nickels, dimes, and quarters. So I like to start with my biggest value. So quarters. Can you make 40 cents using only quarters, only dimes, or only nickels? So quarters, we have 25, 35, and then we would have a 45, which is more than 40, so we can't use quarters. So let's go to the next biggest coin we have, which is dimes. Can I make 40 cents using just dimes? Well, yeah, 10, 20, 30, 40. Let's set those right there. Okay. Now moving to my next biggest value, nickels. Can I make 40 cents using just nickels? Can I count by 5 to get to 40? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So I need 8 nickels. 2, 4, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now moving to the mixed value. So let's start with the biggest, it's a quarter, 25. And let's go to our next one, because I know I can't use 2 quarters because it's 50, it's too much. So let's go to dimes. So 25, 35. Can't use another dime because that's 45. Let's throw a nickel in there. 25, 35, 40. Okay, using quarters again. Let's see if I can do, I've already tried just dimes. That's not going to work. I already have a mix of dimes and nickels, so let's try just nickels. I have 25, 30, 35, 40. So that one works. Now let's go to, I'm done with quarters. I can't combine anything else, just quarters. So let's move to our next biggest value, which is dimes. I have dimes here. I can do 10, 20, 30, and then 40, but I've already got that over here. That was my first one, so I can't do that. So what can I do with this extra 10 cents? Well, I could just put in 2 more nickels. That's 10, 20, 30, 35, 40. And now let's go to nickels, or dimes again. So let's try 2 dimes this time. It's 10, 20. If I do 2 more dimes, that's 40. I already have that. I already have 2 dimes or 2 nickels down here. So let's try some more nickels with this one. So I have 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. And that's it. The last way, let's try with just 1 dime. So I have 10 here. So I have 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. And that is all the ways that you can make 40 cents with just nickels, dimes, and quarters. So the easiest way to start is with your biggest values first. Can I do it in just quarters or dimes or nickels? Yeah, I can do it in all just dimes, 10, 20, 30, 40, right? Nickels, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Okay, then moving over to quarters, I can't do just 2 quarters, it's 50. So I've got to kind of ration out my cents here. 25, 35, 40. Okay, is there another way I can make it with just quarters? 25, 30, 35, 40. Now there's no other possible ways to use quarters to get 40 cents besides the 2 ways that we just showed right here. Okay. Moving on to just dimes and nickels, we could do, like I said before, you want to go back to all 4 dimes. We already have that. You can't repeat. So we have 10, 20, 30. Or I could even do 10, 20, which is what I have here, or just 1 nickel, or 1 dime. I think I could take out the dime and put 2 more nickels. That's the same thing as over here. Cannot repeat. So these 7 combinations, that is all the ways to make 40 cents.